Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. So in the last video family, our Jamaican sister got her apartment. Now we have to shop for our furniture and stuff. So we actually at Two Rivers Mall. It's our first time in Two Rivers Mall family. So our first impression was like it's just like the US. That was our first impression. So we're heading to Kafo now to actually, we can maybe go on this side. Let's go on this side. Yeah, family. So as you can see, she's saying that it's just like the US. So, you know, and as you can see, guys, the kids them right there. You know, and this is a thing right there for the kids. Kazana rides. Yeah, family. So we actually at Two Rivers. We're looking for a place called Dr. Mattress. I don't know if they have Dr. Mattress here, but I'm sure it's actually in Surrey Center family. So we have a hotel called Holiday Inn, right? Holiday Inn is in the US, right? So we have Holiday Inn right there. It's an international hotel, Holiday Inn. You know, we have some popular stores. As you can see, this is like a LCY Kiki. Yes, Holiday Inn is right there. And as you know, see the big sign, Holiday Inn. Holiday Inn. To let for sale. It's a Holiday Inn. And we have Kafo around here. Yeah, family. So we're heading to Kafo now to find our furniture stuff. So, you know, I want you to like and share this video for people who's coming to Kenya who need help to get set up. You know, you can actually you say you want ear products. This is called Linton's Beauty World. And this is a place for Apple, iPhone, iPlace. Yeah. See our big man, yeah, Usain Bolt. Our big man Usain Bolt. Our big man Usain Bolt. Yeah, family. So yeah, let's go inside Kafo. It's a Christmas season here in Two Rivers. The place is all up and the Christmas vibes. So let's go. Let's go, family. This is Kafo. Let's go. This is Kafo. Kids on the Kazan ride. Kazan. A nice price. But the price is right inside here rather than elsewhere. So depends on what brand you like. This is TCL. Yeah. What inch would you like? Like this one? Yeah. Fridge, bed and stove. So these are like the washing machine. This is the same brand as the TV. TCL washing machine. This is Ramptons. This is a very good brand too, Ramptons. So, yeah. Yeah, this one is nice. This one is very nice. So what you can do, Eva, you can actually put the price in your head and make your budget. Like, you make your budget like what you want.
What do you feel about this?
I think it's better than that one.
It's better than that one. I love the think so. And the brand also.
Yeah, one is good.
One is good.
There's a Rampton here too if you want. There's a Rampton here. This one has, let's say a gas run out, you can use the electric. So you can use the electric side of this one. And this one is a little bit cheaper, 55. That's the one she like, family, LG. I think the star has something to do with it. Ah, okay. I think the stars do it. The more stars, more.
I was wondering what are these stars?
Yeah, I guess you know what you're looking for. Washing machine. You have some on the other side there. So we're calculating up this in USD for everything.
55,550.
55. So I have to do it here and this thing. So 55.
550.
5.
50. Put another 5.
55550. That's how much? 364. So
364.
yeah. So plus 364 plus. And then how much was for the fridge? Is how much? 149. So it's 149,000 Kenyan shillings. So that's 975 plus 975 plus 975. So everything in USD is 2,216. So let's tell our Jamaican sister the price for that. It's 200.
Where do you stay?
I stay at 4.
We can get it.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't.
Jumbo VP. Yeah, family, so this is actually the traditional. It's like they recently put this here. It wasn't here before. Shots. We drink a lot. Kenyan flag. Good cigarette. Let's go. Yeah, family, so we finished with the shopping. We actually get fridge, stove and washing machine for our Jamaican sister. So you know, we're waiting for them to deliver at the moment. So we're actually leaving Kafo now and we're gonna head to a place called Storage Center because Dr. Mattress is the best. Dr. Mattress is the best. So we're actually in Two Rivers Mall. We're heading out and we do a little shopping, Amish stuff, and then we're gonna actually head to Storage Center. So continue watching the vlog, like, share and comment. Let us know your thoughts. We are out. One love. God bless.